Get ready, Snark Tank fam. The news cycle is spinning faster than ever, and we've got the updates you absolutely cannot miss. From local innovation exploding onto the scene to a familiar face making a massive splash in the digital currency world, we're diving deep into the stories that are shaping our future. Plus, we're unpacking the undeniable magic of a certain TV show that's launching careers and rethinking business as we know it, and exploring how the game itself is changing. Buckle up because this is your essential download of what's hot, what's next, and what you need to know. Let's go. First up, we're heading to Fayette County for a groundbreaking pitch contest that's injecting serious capital and energy into local entrepreneurship. Imagine a real-life Shark Tank scenario where local talent gets a shot at investment dollars and the community gets to witness innovation firsthand. This isn't just about pitches, it's about building a future, one brilliant idea at a time. Get ready to be inspired. Then, we're shifting gears to the wild world of finance where a titan of industry, a true shark himself, is making a bold move into the cryptocurrency space. He's taking his renowned investment platform and opening the doors to Bitcoin and gold ETFs, making alternative assets more accessible than ever. Is this a sign of mainstream adoption or a risky gamble? We've got the details. Next, we're pulling back the curtain on the phenomenon that is the Shark Tank effect. We'll explore how a single appearance on this hit show can catapult businesses from obscurity to overnight success, transforming dreams into multi-million-dollar realities. From epic deals to those that got away, we're revealing the secrets behind the magic and showcasing the entrepreneurs who rode the wave. And finally, we're looking at the evolution of the show itself. How has Shark Tank changed over the seasons to stay relevant and captivating? We're breaking down the shifts in pitches, valuations, and even the audience's understanding of business. It's a masterclass in adaptation and a testament to the show's enduring appeal. You don't want to miss this. Stick around, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get into it. Local innovators shine in high-stakes pitch competition. Get ready for an electrifying showcase of local talent as the Fayette Chamber of Commerce, in collaboration with Launch Fayette and Jason Hunter Design, presents the 2025 Fayette County Pitch Contest. This isn't just another business event. It's a high-energy, Shark Tank-style showdown where ambitious local entrepreneurs will present their groundbreaking ideas to a live audience and a panel of discerning expert judges. The anticipation is building for what promises to be a pivotal moment for regional innovation and economic growth. The main event is scheduled for Tuesday, November 18, from 5:00 p.m. to 8:00 p.m., taking place at the prestigious Stars Mill High School Auditorium in Peachtree City. This venue will transform into a hub of entrepreneurial spirit, buzzing with the energy of aspiring business leaders and the excitement of potential investors. What sets this competition apart is a unique investment mechanism. Each judge is equipped with $10,000 in specially designated Startup Fayette dollars. This custom currency allows judges to directly support the ventures they believe have the most potential, creating a dynamic and engaging way to allocate resources. Furthermore, after all 5 finalists have made their case, the judges will award an additional $2,000 wildcard to provide a final boost to their most favored selection. The stage is set for 5 finalists who have already navigated a rigorous preliminary pitch round held on October 21. The call for entrepreneurs was broad, welcoming innovators from all industries, with a particular focus on those poised to launch or expand their operations within Fayette County. Aspiring participants had until October 16 to submit their applications via https://startupfayette.org, a deadline that has now passed, leaving the community eager to discover who will take the spotlight. Past competitions have celebrated a diverse array of successful ventures, including cutting-edge health tech, innovative food and beverage concepts, engaging children's products, and revolutionary app development. This year is expected to unveil another cohort of visionary individuals, ready to make a significant impact on the local business landscape. Jason Bass, a co-organizer and the founder of Jason Hunter Design, emphasized the event's broader mission. "This isn't just a competition," he stated. "It's a celebration of entrepreneurship, creativity, and the incredible talent growing right here in our community. The event is designed to be accessible and engaging for everyone, with free admission for the public. Attendees can look forward to an evening filled with more than just pitches. The atmosphere will be enhanced by local food trucks and ample networking opportunities, all culminating in the thrilling experience of watching ambitious ideas come to life in real time. For those interested in applying, attending, or learning more about the initiative, the official website https://startupfayette.org is the go-to resource. Updates and further information can also be found by following at Startup Fayette on social media. Startup Fayette, an initiative of the Fayette Chamber of Commerce, is dedicated to fostering a robust entrepreneurial ecosystem that drives local innovation, economic growth, and business development. Hold on to your hats, because the next story is about a familiar face making waves in a whole new arena. And it's all happening in the world of digital assets. Mr. Wonderful goes digital. Kevin O'Leary embraces Bitcoin ETFs. In a significant move that underscores the growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies, iconic investor and Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary has announced an expansion of his company, Beanstox. The fintech platform is integrating new features that will allow its customers to invest in Bitcoin and gold through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, marking a notable step for O'Leary and the digital asset space. This strategic expansion aims to simplify access to alternative investments for everyday investors, leveraging O'Leary's considerable influence and Beanstox's user-friendly interface. The new ETF system, spearheaded by Beanstox CEO Connor O'Brien, is designed to offer a streamlined and accessible way for clients to hold and trade these alternative assets directly within their Beanstox accounts. This approach bypasses the complexities often associated with cryptocurrency custody, providing a clear and straightforward experience, particularly for those new to the crypto market. Investors can start building their portfolios with as little as $20, democratizing access to assets that have historically been perceived as complex or exclusive. O'Brien highlighted the diversification benefits, noting, Bitcoin and gold can respond differently than traditional investments to market conditions, such as inflation. That difference can help with portfolio diversification. We're making it possible for clients to do this easily and without needing to be experts. Kevin O'Leary, widely recognized as Mr. Wonderful on the hit show Shark Tank, expressed his enthusiasm for the initiative. He believes that integrating Bitcoin and gold ETFs into Beanstox accounts offers investors a valuable opportunity for additional portfolio diversification. This sentiment reflects a broader trend of institutional and high-profile investors increasing their exposure to digital assets. O'Leary himself has undergone a notable shift in his perspective on Bitcoin. Having once dismissed it as garbage, he now reports that crypto-related assets constitute nearly 20% of his personal portfolio. His public pronouncements have often advocated for clearer regulatory frameworks, suggesting that decisive legislative action could unlock significant market potential, which he has estimated to be in the trillions. Beanstox, which is registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, offers advisory and brokerage services through DriveWealth LLC. The platform emphasizes its role as an accessible entry point for retail customers seeking to diversify their investments through ETFs and automated portfolios, all while maintaining transparent costs and user-friendly tools. The company's move to include Bitcoin and gold ETFs, such as the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, and iShares Gold Trust, IAU for its premium subscribers, comes at a time when regulatory clarity is improving in both the US and Europe, signaling a more favorable environment for mainstream adoption of digital assets. This strategic positioning by Beanstox and O'Leary suggests a confident outlook on the future of digital currencies as a legitimate component of a diversified investment strategy. Now, let's talk about the incredible ripple effect that a television appearance can have on a business. It's a phenomenon that's turning startups into legends. The Shark Tank effect, from pitch to phenomenon. Shark Tank has long been celebrated not just as a television show, but as a powerful launchpad for entrepreneurs transforming unknown startups into household names almost overnight. The magic lies not solely in securing a deal with the formidable sharks, but in the unparalleled exposure gained from appearing on national television. This phenomenon, widely dubbed the Shark Tank effect, describes the massive surge in brand recognition, customer interest, and sales that businesses experience immediately following their episode's broadcast. It's a testament to the show's immense reach and its ability to connect innovative products with a vast audience, proving that a few minutes of primetime exposure can fundamentally alter a company's trajectory. Many entrepreneurs walk into the tank aiming for a lucrative partnership, but the marketing and publicity alone are often considered invaluable. Even without a handshake deal, the national spotlight provides credibility and access to potential customers and investors that would be difficult to replicate through traditional marketing channels. Mark Cuban, one of the show's most iconic investors, has often stated that the exposure can be worth millions, even if no investment is made. This sentiment is echoed in the stories of numerous businesses that, despite facing rejection from the sharks, have leveraged their appearance to achieve remarkable success. Consider PetPlate, founded by Ronaldo Webb. Webb initially left Shark Tank without a deal, facing sharks' concerns about cost and scalability for his dog food delivery service. This setback, however, spurred a crucial pivot to a subscription model, transforming the business. Since his 2016 appearance, PetPlate has secured over $30 million in funding and grown into a national brand, with reported revenues in the tens of millions. Similarly, 16-year-old Tyler Marie Creighton's Sienna Sauce experienced an overnight explosion of interest after landing a deal with guest shark Kendra Scott. The pitch resulted in $300,000 in sales within hours, leading to features on major media outlets and product placement in major retail chains. As of August 2025, Sienna Sauce had earned upwards of $1 million in lifetime sales, with projections for significant future growth. Lola Ogden's Bedley, a duvet cover designed for easy bedding changes, didn't secure a deal due to issues with packaging clarity. However, the Shark Tank exposure led to a significant jump in sales and an expanded customer base, even enabling worldwide shipping. Ogden also received deeply meaningful feedback from customers with disabilities who found her product life-changing. Hans Dose's Tentacle, a versatile flexible mount, secured a deal with Damon John, clearing his debt and attracting a sales team. Tentacle sold out on Amazon within minutes of the episode airing, generating $375,000 in sales in just 6 weeks. Nopalera, a self-care brand inspired by Mexican culture and featuring prickly pear cactus, saw over 6,000 orders and more than $300,000 in sales within 2 weeks of its episode airing, despite founder Sandra Velasquez turning down offers to maintain equity control. The company later raised $2.7 million. Even eCreamery, a custom ice cream company, experienced a massive boost after appearing on the show. Despite not securing a deal with Kevin O'Leary, the founders prepared for the Shark Tank effect by significantly increasing production. The post-show surge brought in $250,000 in just 2 months, proving that the exposure alone was a game-changer. These examples, from PetPlate and Sienna Sauce to Bedley, Tentacle, Nopalera, and eCreamery, collectively illustrate that whether a deal is struck or not, the platform's visibility provides an invaluable catalyst for growth, credibility, and market penetration, fundamentally transforming businesses overnight. But how has the show itself kept pace with this evolving entrepreneurial landscape? We're diving into the fascinating evolution of Shark Tank through its seasons. Shark Tank's evolution, adapting for a new era of entrepreneurship. Over its 16-year run, Shark Tank has masterfully adapted to changing times, evolving from its early seasons to remain a dominant force in reality television. What began as a show focused on relatively modest investment requests and standard equity offers has transformed into a platform showcasing highly ambitious entrepreneurs seeking substantial valuations, reflecting a broader shift in the confidence and expectations within the startup world. This evolution is not just in the numbers, but also in the types of businesses presented, mirroring global trends towards technology and sustainability. In its initial seasons, pitches typically involved requests for less than $100,000 in exchange for 20% or more equity, exemplified by ventures like Daisy Cakes seeking $50,000 for 25% equity. However, recent seasons have seen entrepreneurs asking for significantly larger sums with much smaller equity stakes, such as Project Pollo requesting $2.5 million for 5% equity, or Lark seeking $500,000 for 1% equity. This shift indicates a growing confidence among entrepreneurs, who are increasingly bold in valuing their businesses and negotiating terms, a stark contrast to the more conservative approaches seen in earlier seasons. The nature of the businesses pitched has also transformed. While early seasons featured simpler, often family-run concepts like homemade cakes, the show now frequently highlights innovative tech solutions and eco-friendly products. The introduction of concepts like Ira, a device allowing cable-free device charging, which secured a multi-shark deal in Season 11, demonstrates this shift towards cutting-edge technology. This mirrors the increasing focus on scalable tech solutions and environmental consciousness in the broader business landscape, making Shark Tank a relevant barometer of current market trends. Furthermore, the audience's understanding of business terminology has significantly advanced, largely due to the show itself. Sharks like Kevin O'Leary frequently employ terms such as margins, royalties, and lion's share, educating viewers on complex deal structures. O'Leary's deal with Wicked Good Cupcakes, which involved a royalty of $1 per cupcake until his investment was recouped, is a prime example of how such terms are integrated into negotiations, effectively turning the show into a practical business masterclass. This heightened audience awareness means entrepreneurs must come more prepared, not just with a great idea, but with a solid grasp of financial metrics and negotiation strategies. The show's format has also expanded, with the number of episodes increasing substantially over the years. From just 14 episodes in the first 2 seasons, the count rose to around 29 episodes by Season 5. This growth reflects both the increasing popularity of the show and a greater number of entrepreneurs gaining the confidence and knowledge to present their ventures effectively. The success stories, and even the failures witnessed on Shark Tank, have provided aspiring entrepreneurs with invaluable insights and guidance, demystifying the process of pitching and negotiation. In essence, Shark Tank has evolved by reflecting changes in investment values, the types of businesses seeking funding, and the sophistication of both entrepreneurs and the viewing audience. This adaptability has been key to its sustained success, ensuring it remains relevant by mirroring the dynamic nature of the modern business world. As Damon John noted, viewers are far more informed than they were a decade ago, a testament to the show's enduring educational value and its continuous reinvention. And that brings us to the end of our roundup for today. But before you go, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered. That's a wrap on today's essential updates. We saw local entrepreneurs pitch their hearts out in Fayette County, Kevin O'Leary dive into the world of Bitcoin ETFs, the incredible Shark Tank effect boost businesses overnight, and the show itself evolve with the times. Don't miss out on future breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe to the Snark Tank, and ring the notification bell. Plus, let us know your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all social platforms for even more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.